if you want to change the icon color on POCO M8 5G, you can go to Settings. Over here in Settings, we're gonna scroll down a little bit and then we're gonna choose the personalization. Now, once you go to personalization, we can find the icons option and you can change the color by going for the background color. So you have 4 colors to choose from. So let's say I'm gonna choose brown. And unfortunately, not every app is supported with this feature. Some app icons have been changed and some have not been changed, unfortunately. So perhaps the better option to change the color would be to use a different theme. So if we go to the Themes app, let's switch to Themes actually in here, we can find a bunch of different themes for our phone, of course. And as you can see, we can also find different style for icons. So if you like the icons that a selected theme has, we can download the theme, which is for free, at least most of them are for free. And before we apply this theme, we can tap on Customize, and we can uncheck everything except for icons, and then we can use Apply. And there we go. As you can see, we have icons in one color. Subscribe to my channel.